This little darling is going to be from the Dougherty Garden, and basically what we're covering today is garden maintenance. Let me just show you the basics down here in South Florida. You can go crazy like I do and put nothing on fertilizer, and you can do what my friend next door does, fertilizes his brains out, and you tell me whose grass looks better. All right, now this is Marty, little garden over here. As you can see, I have the occasional little weeds. Those little darlings come out, and here's another version of a weed that drives me crazy. It's these little yellow things, but the ones that really drive me crazy, let me find them. I just saw them. Here's a few of the yellow ones. They're all over the place. And what I do is I usually just walk through and just grab them like this and just pull them out, because most of the times I'm lucky. And you can see the other stray stuff running around here. But let me show you my one favorite weed to pull out. I just saw it a few seconds ago. Here we go. Just little baby versions. These are the young seeds at work. Let me see if I can get them right here. All right, here we go. There they are. See those little purple darlings? I consider them the worst of the worst. Those little purple things. Because those little babies just dedicate themselves to annoying the shit out of Marty. So there they are, some more. And I have to get down to the garden center, to get some weed control stuff. What I say is mulch. As you can see, here's a bunch more. And purple, for me, are the worst, because let me show you the little seeds. See those little seeds down there? Let me get a little closer. Very hard to get out there. There we go. You can see, there it is, right there in the middle. See this on the screen? There's seeds. There's literally about 100 seeds in there. When one of those little puppies falls to the ground, you got a weed growing in your garden. So that's the way it is. I dedicate my life to walking around, pulling them out. Since I had my little few accidents and little things that getting arthritis and everything else, it's probably getting the best of me. So when I get back into the rhythm over the winter, I'm going to start getting rid of it. But let me show you Oscar's lawn. Now, he goes crazy with all this bug stuff, fertilizer, and everything else. Now, take a look at Marty's lawn. A little overgrown at the moment, but let me turn around Oscar's. And he has a nice little tractor. He mows it really close, puts all that good stuff down, and look what he gets in return. All those lovely weeds. And let me just show you, I'm presently trying to talk to the HOA to clean up the back over here, but we got a little reserve over there, and these were bushes at one. That's what the bush looked like originally, except that they used to maintain them back in the old days. Now the new HOA doesn't know what the hell we're doing back here, so we're like the lone wolf of the HOA. And that's a tree actually growing in a bush, so we won't talk about it no more. But there is my neighbor with enormous amount of fertilizer and goods he puts out. He doesn't spend a penny, less than, I won't say how much, but basically he's got everything out on his lawn that helps it to grow. And here's a little area of my little lawn, and it's all is weed infested. Once I get back into the rhythm, I will literally sit down and hand cut the edging on this lawn over here. And let me just show you, here's one of those little darlings what I was telling you about. That is weed heaven. This, now I take it out, and the damage is already done. Maybe this destroyed a few, but basically that's the Dougherty Garden. And a little maintenance, I just walk around and pull these little purple and the yellow ones out, because they're the ones that conjure the majority of the weeds that pop up all over the place. And I'm saying, for a place that has very little, I really haven't put fertilizer down within about 2 years in this place. And you can see it has taken over, but we paid the price. And like I say, here's one again. We paid the price. I pull it out, pull that whole puppy out. There's another one. And I get great joy putting it in the mulch, not mulch, but putting it in the green basket. Take it off to Never Never Land. So thank you for stopping by, Marty, the garden. Let me show you what it looks like. And that's 2 years with no fertilizer. Damn good, considering. And when I do fertilizer, I usually, when I took it, I used to take my little partial bag and I just like hand throw it all over the place. And it catches everything. So we're in pretty good shape. So that's another one of those little things. Those are those little plants that grow to about 2 by 4 foot leaves. So they're on the side. I'll get them one day. But as you can see, my garden grass growing nice. No fertilizer 2 years. So this is what I do for maintenance. I walk around and pull the weeds out. So thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. We'll eventually get back to filming all the stuff that's growing back here. And we're just doing one day at a time. We're trying to get past the holidays and just get back into the rhythm. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video and please subscribe. And you'll eventually see everything that's growing in the Dougherty Garden. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.